Welcome to the daily trading analysis video. Today is a Thursday, 28th of May. We're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. So this is the 4-day chart. As you can see, the price has kind of rebounded off a little bit as it almost touches the final exhaustion level at the support level of 1.0811. So right now we are expecting a retracement a little bit further, but end of the day we are expecting price to fall even further from here and even to break below the support level at 1.0811. So zooming the smaller time frame itself, we can actually look at the 200 moving average as a key resistance level. Expecting price to appreciate a little bit, probably about another 40 pips or so before we look for a short opportunity. Or in fact, right now this could be the resistance level for the price to fall. So you may want to consider going for the short as well right here. But however, based on the formation itself, we are expecting price to actually appreciate a little bit further before it really starts to fall again. Somewhere the price of 1.0986 would be a good region to go for the short. So you might want to just wait for retracement, and once you shorted this pair, the first level we are looking at is all the way at the price of 1.0854. Followed by the final exhaustion level. People has mentioned 161.8%, price of 1.0811. Alright, and further down to the next support level at 1.0723. So next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So price was kind of little change as it consolidates further, moving sideways, making a little bit of retracement right here. Expected price to fall even further. Right now price is same resisted at the 55 moving average. Based on the past record in terms of the chart pattern, this could be where the price begins to continue to fall. So if you look at the 15-minute charts, it seems that the price has been registered at the same level. This could be a good chance to go for the shorts all the way back to the first level at 0.7222, and expecting price to fall even further all the way to the previous low at 0.7190. Alright, so you might want to go for the short. We have the pound against the US dollar. Alright, so back to the 4-day chart. Price has fallen a little bit further, got supported at the bottom of the falling trend channel, and but at the same time it has also broke below the 200 moving average, as well as the retracement level of 38.2%, the price of 1.5335. So we are expecting price to fall even further from here. And most likely it will break below the bottom of the falling trend channel as well. Zooming a smaller time frame, we are expecting price to retrace a little bit further back to 55 moving average. Into the 15-minute charts, yes, we are still expecting price to probably retrace a little bit further. In the 15-minute chart, we might want to use 200 moving average as a resistance level, since our price has got us resisted once over here. But seems that right now the strength for towards the downside is looking a little bit strong. So you might want to you might be considering whether to short right now or to wait for a little bit further retracement before you go for a short. Alright, so expected price to fall all the way back to the bottom of the falling trend channel itself, and then to the support level at the price of 1.5090. Alright, sooner or later we can plot the Fibonacci expansion level again to measure how far it can actually go to determine where is our final take profit levels. So that's for the pound against the US dollar, and next with the Aussie against the Aussie against the US dollar. Price actually fell this morning because of a drop in the capital expenditure, which actually hampers the transition of from the mining investment itself to a domestic growth, and that may have pressurized the Reserve Bank of Australia to cut interest rate even further. As of now, we are expecting price to continue to fall further. So zooming the smaller time frame itself, we can actually take the 55 moving average as a resistance level to go for the shorts. Right now we are seeing the price is retracing into the 15-minute charts. Alright, so hopefully the price can just retrace a little bit further back to close to the 200 moving average before we go for the short opportunity. Alright, somewhere probably at the price of 0.7729. would be a good level to short. But however, right now we are also seeing that price might begin to fall with stochastic at the overbought zone. And anyway, if we were to go to for the short, first level, we're actually looking at the price of 0.7603, global expansion was 1.8%, and all the way back to the previous low at the price of 0.7532. Alright, so that's pretty straightforward for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. Price has continued to rally, and finally it has touches a new record high at the price of 124, slightly above it. And right now we are seeing some retracement that's happening right now. Right into the 15-minute charts, we are seeing the price is hovering around the 55 moving average. And based on the past record, it seems that price tends to hovers around the 55 moving average before it begins to appreciate further. So at this point of time, it could be the right time to go for the long. Alright, we're still seeing the price is still forming higher lows in this case. So this could be a good chance. If not, you might want to wait for price to retrace a little bit further all the way back to the 55 moving average. Yep, that's an alternative way. Instead, if you want to go for the better price for the long trade itself. But take note that price may just appreciate from here very soon, as we are expecting dollar to strengthen even further. So first level, of course, we're looking at all the way back to 124, and further higher will be at the price of 124.67, Fibonacci expansion 1.4%. So that's pretty much for the dollar against Japanese yen. And next we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Right, currently we are seeing a price in the 4-hourly chart itself. Yes, continue to appreciate, but right now it's making retracement, and expect the price to appreciate further after retracement itself, all the way to the final exhaustion level. The Fibonacci expansion 161% at the price of 0.9605. To be a smaller time frame, in the 1-hourly chart, we are currently seeing the price has already cut below the 55 moving average. Not surprising, it's pretty common for this pair. As it retraces. Right now we are seeing the price is being supported at the price of 0.8470. If price were to be successfully supported at this level, probably zoom in the 15-minute charts, if you can see any setup over here, we might want to go for a long opportunity already. Alright, so right now we are seeing the price is pulling back a little bit. Just wait a little bit further. As long as price close below the support level of 0.9465, that would be a good signal to go for a long. So that's for the dollar against Swiss franc. And next, I would just like to touch on a few other pairs. First, with the Aussie against the Japanese yen. Alright, so in the day one chart, rather in the weekly chart, as we know, the price has been rebounding off from the bottom of the rising trend channel based on the weekly charts, expecting price to appreciate a lot furthermore. And zooming in the 4-hourly chart itself, we are seeing the price is forming higher lows right here. In the 1-hourly chart itself, price has successfully closed above this trend line, still supported. So this could be a good chance to go for long, all the way back to the at least to the price of 95.78. Pretty good for it to 50 pips. Of course, we're expecting price to appreciate further to form another higher high. That will give you much more profits, all the way probably back to the previous high right here at 96.75 or even higher. So just take note of this pair. And next we have the Aussie against New Zealand dollar. We are expecting price to appreciate further from here after it has got resisted numerous times at 200 moving average, fell all the way due to the drop in capital expenditure for the Australia itself. Just tell you that in the day one chart itself, there's actually a inverse head and shoulder that's forming. Well, not a very significant one, but expected price to fall a little bit further after the retracement in the smaller time frame, and price is about to hit the 200 moving average, which proved to be a good support and resistance level based on past record. So over here in this region, you might want to look for a long opportunity instead. So just take note. Next, I would just like to touch on dollar against the Canadian dollar. Price is appreciated further after yesterday's BOC rate statement. Currently, it is registered at the price of 1.2484. People has mentioned 141.4%. However, we are expecting the price to break even higher to the resistance level at 1.2569. Final adjustment level, people has mentioned 161.8%. And currently, right now in the smaller time frame, if you look at the 15-minute charts, we're seeing the price is being supported at the price of 1.2443. As long as we see a setup right here at this level, this could be a good chance to go for long. Alright, so that's for dollar against Canadian dollar. And last but not least, I would just like to touch on the euro against the Australian dollar. So price is currently seeing resistance at the top of or rather at the falling trend line itself. We are seeing the price is being exhausted. Major candle is forming. This could be a very good chance to go for a short all the way back to the support level at 1.3957. A very good 200 over pips of profits to be made from here. So you might want to just take note of this pair. And with that, I have come to the end of my trading analysis video for today. So thank you for watching and good luck for the rest of the trading day. I'll see you again.